Hey there, YouTube. It's Masa again. We got us a little addition to the stash called Magic Land from Red Lantern, and it's basically an unboxing for you guys because I was trying to look it up and I haven't really seen nothing on this one. So let's get to it, man. See what we got here. You guys are right. It's kind of hard to open it with one arm or one hand, I should say. There you go. Right. See, it started with the top and work all the way down. Right, here we go. We got, oh, this box kind of heavy, man. Same 8,000s. All right, we got that. Let's put that over here to the side. We got a couple of loud bang snaps. All right. Oh, got some filler. I don't know, man. All right, here we go. Got the Cuckoo Fountain. Yeah, feels like a filler too right there. We got a color pearls. I've seen other videos of assortments have something similar, except the only thing difference is the name brand. But you guys know what it is. Happy. Okay, there you go, 16 shots. Okay, it's kind of light. Here we got this Saturn missile, 25 shot. It's almost in every assortment right here as you get. And a lot of them, at least. And we got this. All right. What we got here? We got a 100 piece, 100 strip, lighting firecrackers. All right. Okay. All right, and then we got this Dakota Northern, 7 shots. All right, another classic here. Garden in the Spring, we all know what that does. Okay. Now we got 7 shot Desert at Night. I believe these are hybrids. This one and the Garden in the Spring. And then we got Green Bamboo. Yeah. All right, lay this one down right here. And we got right here another Saturn, 100 shot Saturn. It's got a little weight to it. All right. And next we got these paper smoke balls. Another video from Sin City Pyros had this different assortment with these in it from Red Lantern. So I don't know. It's my first time seeing it. These kind of light. It's kind of, I've never seen this. We're gonna have to demo these though. Check them out. See what's up. There you go. Paper smoke balls. Never had paper smoke balls. 12 in box. Okay, and we got these number 10 gold sparklers, 6 pieces. All right. Okay. And we got this right here. Got this called Cake. Choose flaming balls and reports. I'm not sure, it just seems like there's just like one in there. I don't know what that's all about. And the classic Dragon Balls, artillery shells. 6 pieces. I don't really know what these are. Get this open. I know you guys love to see stuff getting opened up, and so do I. There you go. It feel kind of hard. I don't know, let's squeeze it a little bit. It might be fake ball shells, but nonetheless, it's not a bad looking assortment. Not bad at all. It's a good little addition to our little stash that we already have. And there you go. The Magic Land assortment by Red Lantern. This is what you get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17. About 17 pieces in here. 16, 17 pieces. That's not bad. There you guys have it. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching.